again on this Saturday. Back at it. Update. I got a computer. Another update. I also got scammed. So long story short, buckle up, boys. Long story short, a couple days ago, earlier, probably Tuesday, I ordered a Apple Mac Mini on Amazon. It was from the actual Amazon store, shipped by Amazon. And it was the actual Apple store, shipped by Amazon. So it was all legit stuff. It was all, I saw the reviews, everything. Ordered it. And I also ordered a docking station and a keyboard and mouse. The keyboard, mouse, and docking station got here fine. Totally fine. Actual product came in. No problems. You can probably see where this is going. The Mac Mini came in the mail the same day. And I went outside. I was excited. Came home from work. I was like, yo, this is going to be awesome. I get to spend my night setting this up and exploring it and customizing everything. Open the box up. It's nothing. Just two plastic baskets. Just two baskets. I about lost my mind. Rightfully so. So I immediately called up Amazon and I was like, guys, what in the actual hell is this? And they refunded me, thank God. So they actually did do a pretty good job about that. But so yeah, I used that to go to an actual store and buy the actual Mac Mini in store because I don't trust anybody anymore. So yeah, that was my experience buying a Mac Mini. But I finally have it. This will be my first video edited on it. But have you guys ever had experiences with that? Like, am I the only one that had an issue with getting a computer like that on Amazon or something that big on Amazon and you get it and it's just an empty box full of baskets? Well, not empty, but you know what I mean. Not important. But I've spent probably about a good few months really researching exactly what computer I wanted. I knew it was going to be Apple because I have all Apple stuff. So I was like, I'm not going to get build a PC or whatever. There's just no point because it's more expensive, number one, and number two, I want the compatibility because I do a lot of recording on my phone, which of course is an iPhone. So I want to be able to transfer everything over easily and have the ease of use with all that kind of stuff. Otherwise, it'd be a logistical nightmare. Logistical nightmare. So yeah, there's that. That happened. So if you're thinking of buying a computer on Amazon, really, it's a gamble because there's absolutely no signs at all that would be what I got. I mean, my best guess is it actually is a good link to buy it at, and someone in the warehouse must have just kind of swapped things and stole my computer. I don't know what happened. There's no way I could know, but that's my best guess because the box was sealed and closed, so it's not like anybody just, the delivery driver didn't just sneak it in there or something and, I'm making breakfast this morning. And do you guys have this experience as well where you're a jar of peanut butter, right? You got a jar of peanut butter. At the end, when you have your spoon, your knife, whatever, trying to get the peanut butter out. Why have they not made a jar yet that when you use the knife or spoon or whatever to get it out, you don't get peanut butter all over your fucking hands? And you know what I mean. I swear I'm not the only one. There's no way. Every time I finish the jar, I gotta reach my hand in there with a knife, scoop it out, and when I pull my hand out, it's just covered in fucking peanut butter. Like, how have we not designed anything yet where that's just avoidable? It'd be great. My curiosity is, do you guys want to see food reviews? Like, if I ride to some random restaurant or a new type of style of, I don't know, ice cream or whatever, like, would you guys want to see some weird shit like that? Like, I'd go to weird places and try weird shit? That ain't going anywhere. Dude's got about 15 straps on that bitch. That ain't moving a muscle. Yep, there you go. Just make sure you match the left-hand lane, so that way traffic can't move. Guys, if you're ever riding on a road, always make sure you speed match the other lane so that way no one can pass you. I said it before and I'll say it again. I'll only ever lane split if there's stop traffic at a stoplight and I'm just creeping up to get between the cars to get a head start or whatever. Because in my opinion, it's better to be up there than maybe get rear-ended. Have you guys heard about this new slate truck that came out? So I guess Jeff Bezos or Amazon or whatever is coming out with this slate truck, which is actually, honestly, as much as I hate this type of shit, it actually does look kind of cool. For pretty cheap, you can just make a customizable truck. I know it's electric, but if it's a second car for you, or we don't go anywhere, you work from home, who cares? And you could like change door panels, roofing, make it an SUV if you want, change tires. Right now it's aimed to be at about 20K. Of course, completely just bone stock, but without getting any kind of tires and extra stuff on it, or whatever they have whatever options they have. Yeah, my best guess is a good one, like one that people are going to probably want, is going to be like 30, but we'll see how it actually plays out. Well, I hope I learned how to use Final Cut Pro, so this video can be uploaded very soon. It's going to be a very complicated learning process. I'm sure it's going to take me a few weeks to actually properly learn how to use it, but alright, sayonara. Like, comment, tell me what you want to see. Okay, people, I shall see you in the next video.